The phrase, AI is the trend but not technology, seems to emphasize the difference between the hype and reality of AI. It suggests that while AI is a prominent trend and widely discussed, the actual technological substance and practical applications may not always live up to the inflated expectations set by the trend. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Artificial intelligence is currently a hot topic in many industries. It's a trend in the sense that it is widely discussed, highly marketed, and often seen as a must have for businesses looking to stay competitive. While AI is undoubtedly a powerful technology, the phrase might suggest that the hype around AI often overshadows the actual technological advancements and practical applications. In other words, AI is seen as more of a trend or buzzword rather than a solid standalone technology. The reality is that AI as a technology has limitations. Current AI systems are often narrowly focused, requiring large amounts of data and computational power, and they lack general intelligence or common sense. The phrase could be highlighting the disparity between the trend, that is hype, and the actual technological capabilities. A recent study on AI adoption, plans, and priorities indicates that organizations' top three priorities for AI include number one, creating a long term AI strategy and roadmap. Number two, developing AI use cases that build new revenue streams. And number three, developing AI that improves customer experience. To date, performance has been inconsistent across these priorities. Enterprises feel they are performing well on developing roadmaps, middling on customer experience, and poorly on developing revenue generating use cases. On the positive side, AI is still a technology that businesses need help enabling and operating, and service providers have the experience to drive technology adoption, transformation, and efficient operations. On the negative side, for providers, is the novelty of the technology and enterprises' explicit focus on revenue when it comes to AI. This puts IT service providers in the difficult position to having to help their clients not only operate their technology but also operate their businesses. Enterprises are eager to adopt AI at scale, and service providers are eager to bring AI into their solutioning process. But for most service providers and client relationships, it appears some value is being left on the table. The current round of AI adoption stands out because it fundamentally reshapes the way businesses integrate technology into their operations. Let's look into today's headlines. New directives for sale of refurbished hard disk drives. Delhi High Court has directed entities selling refurbished hard disk drives, that is HDDs, to comply with specific disclosure requirements on their promotional materials, including websites, e-commerce listings, brochures, and manuals. The High Court's decision came in the wake of a series of lawsuits filed by Seagate Technology and Western Digital Technologies against several companies selling refurbished HDDs. They contended that selling these HDDs as refurbished products without their original branding amounted to impairment. Microsoft promotes new APIs for developers to tap into AI. Aimed at encouraging programmers to build AI focused technology into Windows software, Microsoft has promoted new APIs that make it easier for developers to tap into AI technology offered by the tech giant. The company detailed new features for its Copilot AI software that helps business productivity applications such as email and its team video and text chat products. Canva Enterprise announces fresh user interface and tools. Popular online creative editor Canva has announced a slew of announcements at its Canva Create event in Los Angeles. The new upgrades brings ease of use and agility to its image editing capabilities and are aimed at boosting workplace productivity and creativity. The company also introduced its subscription offering, Canva Enterprise, which has been designed to meet the demands of large companies. Lava inducts new directors as co-founder Hariom Rai exits. Indian phone brand Lava has inducted new board members including former BSNL chairman Anupam Srivastava and former Lieutenant Governor of Andaman and Nicobar Islands Lieutenant General Ajay Kumar Singh as independent directors. With co-founder Hariom Rai's exit, the company is also looking to tap private equity players to raise about rupees 600 crore for launching new 5G smartphones. Lava saw a business turmoil following the arrest of Rai in a case involving the Enforcement Directorate. Google rolls out voice typing in Google Docs for Safari and Edge users. Google is expanding voice typing functionality in Google Docs, which was previously limited to Chrome. With this feature, users can now leverage voice typing within the Safari and Microsoft Edge web browsers on desktop computers. This update also allows users to seamlessly dictate their documents directly into Google Docs, regardless of their preferred web browser. Users will also be able to utilize voice commands to format documents and even insert tables. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.